Today, you're here with Jeff and Isabel, and today we're going to do our first mini project of this quarantine. We're going to build an Adirondack chair, a simple one. We've never done this before, so it should be pretty fun. We pre-cut all of the wood right here. As you can see, all of the different size pieces are already pre-cut. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sand all the boards to get a nice little finish on them. So that way there's no sharp edges or any splinters or anything like that. So that's what we're going to do. Once we're done sanding, we're going to start assembling, put it all together, see if it will hold any weight, then take it apart and paint it, and hopefully have a nice little Adirondack chair for the summertime.
And I'm Isabel.
We can't wait for you guys to check it out, and hopefully it works out pretty well.
And now we are he's sanding the wood and I'm cleaning it with the 400 sandpaper. And let's get started. So he did this one already. So kind of like, now it's not as pointy. And I'm going to clean it.
You're sanding it.
Yeah, I'm sanding it, but I'm like cleaning it.
You have to fold a piece like this first of all. And then get your fingers and really, you have to really get in there and do it nice. Check it out, show the camera.
So this is what it should look like. It's not very pointy on the edges, and it's really smooth. So if you rub against this, you won't get splinters. But if you do something wrong with it, like you drop it really hard, sometimes it can get little cracks, and that's not good.
Alright, so once we're done sanding, we'll be back to show you the next step in our nice Adirondack chair.
Bye!
Alright, we're back. We finally finished sanding everything. All the pieces of wood here, they're all completely sanded. We did some 120 grit, then some 400. We did it by hand, which probably wasn't very smart. Was that very smart? No,
it took like an hour and a half to do that.
It was kind of crazy, but we got it done. It's done. Now it's time to start building. So
and
right here.
One important fact is when you're done sanding all of your wood, you always want to use a wet cloth, not like soap, like you could still squeeze it, but you want to use a wet cloth to just get all the sawdust off of it.
All right, that's a good point. So what we have here now, we're going to start building the foundation on the chair. So the straight pieces are 20 inches long. They're the fronts, and the ones with the 15-degree angle here, those are the back legs. And this is the arm support. So Isabel, what she's going to do is she's going to use the 2.5-inch outdoor screws, and she's going to drill 2 screws. We already have some pre-drilled countersunk holes for where the screws go. That's the screw. And she's going to try to show us how to screw them in.
Yep.
So Isabel, remember how to use the drill?
This is my first time doing it, so I have no idea.
So we're going to put right in there. All right.
All right.
So now grab the drill. Are you right-handed? Yep, you're right-handed.
Yeah, I'm right-handed.
All right. Put it in the hole. Make sure that the wood is completely lined up.
Mm-hmm.
Is it lined up with the top? I don't think so. All right. I think there it is. So now start drilling. Whoa. I think you went a little bit too fast there. Try doing it a little bit slower. And up. I'm gonna hold it for you. Hold it nice and put your hand on top. Hold it nice and straight. Your hand. Oh, that's too fast. All right, pull it up. All right, now we're just gonna repeat that and put the other 4 screws in. All right, and then here we go. This is the second side as well. Make sure it's lined up. Is it all lined up straight?
Yep.
All right. Ahead, nice and slow.
Yep.
Push it down, nice and slow.
It wasn't totally angled that way.
Nice and slow, and you have to push down. Remember?
Yep.
Okay. All right. All right, and now let's line this one up.
Let me get my.
Okay, we gotta make sure that it's completely lined up there. And completely lined up there. All right. And look at that. Next one, look at that. She's getting going now.
Yeah, I'm competitive.
All right, Isabel, so why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself so the audience can get to know you a little better.
So, as you guys know, I'm Isabel Stella. I'm in 3rd grade, and I really love building and making slime. It's like my 2 hobbies. I really love. My friends are like one of the most inspiring things in my life. So whenever I'm like feeling down, they help me. And that's really it. I mean,
Nice. Do you play any sports or anything like that?
I play basketball. I used to play softball. I play soccer. I do gymnastics. I do karate. It's a busy life.
You sound like you're really busy.
Yes.
So, how do you like doing this project with your dad so far?
It's really fun. The sand working was a little boring because I did it by hand, but that's okay. Building things and chairs and anything I could basically build or do with my dad is actually really, really fun.
Oh, sweet. Yes. That's the feet. So you got the back is right here on this side, and the front is over there on that side. The chair, the armchair rail is on the outside of both pieces. It's looking good. Here we are now. We're going to be doing our stringers that are going across, that are going to hold the bottom of the chair. So we marked it 1.5 inches from the front because there's going to be a front piece that covers it that's going to go there. So right now we have to flip this over. And Isabel's going to put some wood glue right here, just in this front corner.
All right.
Okay, then we're going to put a little bit over here on this end. Okay.
Oops, sorry.
And then now, flip this over.
Make sure you put it down really gently because if you put it down at the wrong place, the glue will smudge everywhere and it'll just be a big hot
Alright, Isabel,
mess.
screw this right in.
Alright.
It looks like it's lined up. Perfect. Alright, let's get another screw in here.
Okay.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Alright.
Let's go. Nice and straight, nice and tight. You don't always have to go fast. Just get it in there. Nice job, Isabel.
Thank you.
All right, as you can see, it's standing up. We put the front piece in and the 2 sides, and it looks like a chair. Now we're going to put the slats for the bottom in. Isabel's going to apply some glue on both sides and across the front, very little layer. And what do you think, Isabel?
I think it looks pretty good. So that's the front, this is the back. It looks pretty good. I think we're on the right track, and this is gonna turn out like really good.
All right, so we're gonna put the first piece in. Isabel, go ahead. You do the honors. It's a little tight, which is good, and you gotta make it even with the front.
Yep. And then you have to push it all the way down.
Yep, and then make sure it's even. Over here in the front is not even at all.
Nope, not at all.
So bang it, yeah.
Smooth it down. A little more. Perfect.
And now it's nice and flush.
So
That's
now
what it's going to look like. We're going to finish putting the rest of them in. Countersink these screws, put them in, and we'll get back to you and show you the finished bottom.
bye. And we're back. And so as you can see, we put all these different really smooth slats in, and I just and the back. I mean the front brace.
The back brace. We put in the back brace and the slats. So Isabel's gonna finish screwing them in right now because we set them all up. They're glued. Put one screw in each. Now Isabel's gonna finish screwing it in for us. All right. As you can see, Isabel's about to start drilling. She's starting to figure it out.
It's kind of hard because if you're working on an angle, you have to take the gun and use it on an angle. So it is really hard, but you can get the hang of it.
Hey, look, it's Miles. Say hi, Miles. He just lost a tooth today. He's a big kid. It's awesome.
Are we gonna keep that chair?
Of course.
Yeah.
All right. So now while Isabel screws that in, I'm going to show you the back. So we started putting the back together. We got the 2x4 on the bottom and the smaller piece on top. Okay, and we put all the lengths in, and everything is good. It's okay. Let's do the next one. All right, I made this little jig here. I put a nail inside this, and I made a spot for a pencil. Okay, so that way we'll be able to put that in there like that. And what's going to happen is we're going to be able to put this down here in the middle, and just like that. And we'll be able to actually mark with that pencil the circle that we have to cut to make the nice arch. All right, so Isabel finished the screws on that, and now we're starting the screws on the back piece. That's not in your way, Isabel, so just screw in.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, these are nice and straight, so which is good. All right, now, so let's try to see if the jig that I made is going to work. So Isabel, put that pencil down and touch. And let's see. Yeah, we're making a circle. We're making a circle. All right. Oh, and as you can see, we actually made the circle. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to have to actually try to cut it with a jigsaw. And we'll see if we can get this thing to work.
Now he's going to use his mini saw, I guess?
We're going to use the jigsaw.
Jigsaw. And he's going to
cut this nice and straight without messing it up. All right. And then I'm going to have to sand again.
Yep, yes. Sanding.
Our favorite part.
Yay.
All right.
Really fun.
So I'll sand this up and then we'll get right back to the video. So we can show you how we put the back on the bottom. Almost
Bye-bye.
This project is going great. Nice and smooth. I mean, the arch came out pretty good. I mean, for someone that never did it before, I think it came out all right. I mean, it's not perfect, but hey, it's, pretty good. So we're going to throw this in here. That's not where it's going to end up being, but I just want to make sure that the angle on the back is okay.
It's going to be higher.
All the back is touching, so the angle seems to be right. We're going to have Isabel test it out and sit down and see if, it's going to hold any weight.
Oh, this is great.
It's good. That has the right angle on the back. It's looking pretty good so far.
All
right, nice. All right.
We're kids, like me and my brother, it'll be kind of like this.
Right. We might have to build a a smaller one for her kids.
Yeah.
But it's okay. So we're gonna put this into place. We're gonna lift it up. We're gonna screw it in. Then we have to do the arm rails. And that's gonna be pretty much it for today. Then it's gonna be paint. Isabel still doesn't know what colors that we got. We're keeping her in suspense, and she's dying. Which is pretty funny. Being a dad is kind of cool.
So, if you didn't know my two favorite colors are white, yellow, and pink.
Oh, yellow?
Yeah, I love yellow. It depends on the shade, but I love yellow.
Oh, see, I didn't even know that. I thought it was pink and purple. What do I know? All right, so we're gonna do those last finishing touches, and we'll get right back to you. All right, Isabel, what's going on now? Right? What do we connect?
So,
we connected the.
We noticed it was kind of wiggly, so what we did was we put screws on the bottom, right next to this
And we put it at the right height.
Yep,
So now we got the
right
right height.
So
Okay, so now the last thing that we need to do are the arm rails. So we already marked them out. We have them ready. Isabel's gonna put.
And
All right.
this is our motto. We are the building buddies. So as you can see, we finished a perfect Adirondack chair. If I get up, you can look all around, and it's really smooth. No one will get splinters, and it's a really nice material. It's not wiggling. This is a solid craft.
Right. And now the real true test. Let's see if Daddy can sit on it without it breaking. 'Cause that's the real test. This is almost 300 pounds. Let's see if it can withstand it. Oh, nice and comfortable, nice and cozy. Check it out. So, this is mine and Isabel's first project. We definitely don't have a clue what we're doing when it comes to woodworking. We're just learning. This actually came out really well. I'm pretty impressed. Now, what we're going to do is tomorrow, hopefully it's not going to rain, and we can start painting. We're going to prime it, a couple coats of primer, and then Isabel's going to paint it.
I still don't know the colors.
Which is true. So I did pick out some colors. I'm not sure if she's going to like them or not. So what we're going to do now is we're going to reveal the color choices that she has.
Oh my
Hopefully
god.
she likes one of them. If not, back to the store we go. All right, Isabel, sit down.
Okay, here you go.
Are you excited?
No, I'm nervous. Okay.
Okay, so there's 3 colors to choose from, or a mix. Here they are for everybody to view before she sees it. I don't know if she's gonna like any of these choices, but let's see.
Okay.
Hey.
This is really pretty, actually.
So what color do you think you're gonna paint the chair?
All 3 of them.
All 3? Let's see. Do they match? I don't know if they match.
I feel like they match.
So what colors do we have?
We have a really glow pink.
Ooh.
It glows in the dark.
No, I don't think it glows in the dark.
No. And we have this purple potion. It's really, really pretty.
Whoa.
And then we have a polka dot skirt. It's really pretty.
Whoa. So you want to do all 3 colors, or you want to just stick to one color maybe?
I feel like I want to do. I don't know. I'm going for all 3.
Well, there you have it, guys. We're going to paint it all 3. Stay tuned to when we paint it and check it out.
Yeah.
Thanks for hanging out with us, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You have anything to say, Isabel?
All I want to say is, whatever will inspire you to make this kind of material or anything that inspires you of building, do that, watch that, and I really hope you find something that inspires you and build something like this. A solid, artistic craft. Hope you enjoy.